On today's video, I'm going to share 5 tips that are going to help you flip your first house. My goal for this channel is to help you flip houses. I want you to change your life the way I've changed my life. I used to work in construction. I had the golden handcuffs. I made 6 figures a year. I had a car allowance. Everything was gravy. I didn't think I could make any more than that. And now I make millions in real estate every year. So I want you to do that also. If you haven't done your first deal yet, hopefully these 5 tips are going to help you out. My first tip is connect with the real estate world. You need to connect with realtors. You need to connect with wholesalers. Go on Facebook groups, type in, I'm in Las Vegas market, so type in Las Vegas real estate investment, Las Vegas wholesaling. I even go to surrounding areas. So you need to get in those Facebook groups. Find an investment-friendly brokerage you can hang your license at. That's what I did. There's going to be people there that are flipping houses that are going to give you so much insight and so much knowledge that you're going to easily be able to flip your first house, second house, third house. If you don't have your real estate license, again, you need to connect to everyone through Facebook, Instagram. Find the people that are flipping houses. They're going to help you. My tip number 2 is to ask your friends and family if they want to invest in these deals. You can use a hard money lender, which is probably what I'd recommend, unless you have a really rich uncle or unless your parents are really well off and they want to fund the entire deal. If not, they can fund the 10 to 15% down that would be required to use a hard money lender. Obviously, when using a hard money lender, your first couple deals are going to be higher interest rates. Just make sure you calculate for that. Tip number 3, with all those connections you've made with brokerages, real estate investors, realtors, hard money lenders, you need to create a calculator or ask somebody in the investment space if they will share their calculator with you. The calculator is going to have some very simple financials in there that you're going to need to make offers, to make sure you're going to make money. Most people don't do this, and it's a huge no-no. You need purchase price, you need your estimated closing costs, which you need to talk to a title company about those. Reach out to an investor-friendly title company. You need to know your holding costs, power, water, gas, HOA. These are things you're going to have to pay monthly. If you hold the property for 3 months, you're going to have those holding costs for 3 months. If you hold the property for 12 months, you're going to have to calculate all those expenses for 12 months. Don't forget your hard money costs. So, very simple calculator. Purchase price, closing costs, holding costs, hard money expenses, sale price, which your rehab comes out of that gets you your potential profit. That's the money you make. I'm gonna go over a quick example of the financials on a property that we just did. We just closed on this yesterday. So it's easy for me, it's right here. Purchase price, $390. Our closing costs were $3,800. Our holding costs for 5 months were $23,600. That includes our hard money. Our renovation was $61,000. We sold the property at $565,000. That gave us a profit of $62,000. If you want to know more about this deal, or if you have any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll answer them all for you. All right, tip number 4 is to vet multiple contractors. You need to talk to 3, 4, 5, talk to every contractor you can get your hands on. Message people on Facebook, connect with the realtors, find a good contractor. When you do find a good contractor, meet him at the property. You guys need to write a contract. It needs to be on paper. You need to have when the start date is, how much the contract value is going to be, who is providing what? Is the contractor buying material? Are you buying material? And when's the project going to be done? What penalties are there if the project doesn't get done on time? I've had so many properties that have gone 3 months, 4 months, 5 months longer than expected because the contractor's just not there. So you need to make sure that in the beginning, everyone's held accountable. Tip number 5, subscribe to the channel, like this video, drop your comments below, and then watch the rest of our videos. We're gonna give so much information on this channel that you're gonna get all the tips and tricks you need right here on A Flipping Good Life. Thanks for tuning in.